India, Japan, South Korea, Canada, United States, Singapore, China, and the whole world is shivering about the coronavirus. December 30th, 2019. In the city of Wuhan, China, medical professionals got to tackle a mysterious case in the season of cold and flu, but none of their assumptions came to be true. By the time they had fully prepared to tackle the situation, this happened.
563 people in China have died, and the total number of confirmed patients has now topped 28,000.
A second charter flight with Japanese evacuees has also landed. 9 people have shown symptoms of fever or coughing. At least one more charter flight is expected.
Outbreak began. Officials now say more than 400 people have been sick and 9 people have died. The World Health Organization is holding an emergency meeting right now.
The virus in Boston, the 8th in the U.S. so far. The patient, a UMass Boston student in his 20s who visited.
Moving back to the center of epidemic, that is to the city of Wuhan. Not long after the outbreak, authorities found out about the source of this virus, seafood market in central Wuhan, and shut it down immediately as of the 1st of January, 2020. However, authorities are unclear whether if it's the only source in order to transmit the virus to humans, as they doubt bats since they carry this virus along with them but can't transmit directly to humans if not there is an intermediate host, mostly a domestic one. On the other hand, professionals believe that this outbreak is much similar to that of severe acute respiratory syndrome and Middle East respiratory syndrome. And since we don't have much information and knowledge about this novel coronavirus compared to other similar viruses, we don't have a vaccine to this virus. Except for a few precautions such as washing our hands regularly, avoid touching our eyes, nose and mouth as much as possible, and make sure to not to keep your throat dry, that is to drink water from time to time. Till date, this virus has reached to around 26 countries, resulting in about 70,000 people have been infected and 2,000 patients have been died so far, but also around 7,000 patients have fully recovered from this virus. Noticing the fact that World Health Organization announced the outbreak as a public health emergency worried the public, hoping it wouldn't turn into yet another pandemic. On the positive note, with millions of dollars being pumped into the aid of coronavirus and never-ending efforts by the Chinese government, from building a 1,000-bed hospital in 10 days to shut down an entire city, shows the immense work is being done to put an end to this outbreak. Thank you very much for watching World News Now. And please subscribe for much more.